Well, it has been a very good day today. I traded SAUSD and I got over 177 pips in just one session, guys. In just one session, which is the New York session. And this trade was very, very good, was perfect. Actually, it was a sniper entry. So I'm going to explain how I got this trade today. So let's get into it. Now, before that, I want you to remind you to subscribe to the channel, share this channel to the other people, and make sure that you like and leave a comment and give out some suggestion. What kind of videos should I make and what should I improve for this channel to work? So thank you very much. Now, to begin, my analysis started yesterday where I had this break of structure in the 4 hour time frame here in the 4 hour time frame. This was a clean break of structure. Now I begin to find the areas where I can place my orders between the break of structure and the invalidation point. And from the 4 hour, according to the general time frame coordination, I went to 30 minutes. In the 30 minutes, you can see that break of structure left us with an inside formation. That was our inside formation. So um, I begin to see where the price will come in this inside formation. And if you go to the to the 5 minutes, if you go to the 5 minutes, you'll see that inside formation had also another inside formation right there. Inside formation, another one. See, that was actually best. You can see the price still there, but I didn't started I didn't stop there. I didn't stop there. If you go to the 3 minutes, you'll see inside that uh, formation, we had a zone flip. Now I'm gonna come up with a video explaining entries of zone flip entries. So I'm going to come up with that video. I hope you're going to like it. I hope you're going to like it. So um, we had that zone flip. So I said, okay, I'm going to wait for the price to come inside there, and then I will see what I can do. Because if you measure the pips from here to here, it was at least 19, but from there to here, it was 50 pips. I can't risk 50 pips actually. So I waited for the price to come inside there. Now, if you go back to the 30 minutes, I waited for the price to come inside there in the 30 minutes. Now, the 30 minutes price came in. I didn't take the trade. I waited for the market to create a break of structure or a change of character, creating environments for me to buy. Okay? Creating environments for me to buy. Now, if you look closely, the change of character which we were supposed to wait for, it was here. It was here. But you can see the market did not come straight away to change character here because this was the low and the high and the low. But the market created internal structure in which market uh, created a break of structure right there. So I begin to see now, okay, I can have this area where I can look for the entry today. So I went back to the 5 minutes. From there, to see what is inside there. And you can see here, after the breakout structure, the price left us with inside formation and also uh, liquidity engineering, okay? Liquidity engineering. But measuring the risk from this point here to this point here, it was 15 pips. 15 pips. It was actually a good trade. But I begin to go even deeper to the 1 minute, to the 1 minute to see if I can find areas where I can place my orders with lower risk. But I saw this one, which is a zone flip, and most of the time zone flip are very strong. But when I reviewed the risk from that point to this point, it was 19 pips. Actually, it is so big for me because my biggest risk is always 15 pips, 15 pips in every trade that I take. Now I said, okay, I will wait for the market to come inside, and then I will wait for the market to create for me the change of character. Now, here is the lesson now. Here is the lesson. This is the market structure lesson here. I need everyone to listen closely. So after the market came inside that area, I begin to see where should I mark the change of character if the market changed character. So we had a low, a high, a low, and then the market created a high, and then that high came and create a low. It braked here. So I begin to say, okay, I will mark this point as my area where I will see the market close above. But the market did not come, and instead it breaks another structure here. It created another breakout structure here. So making this low, the high that made this low to mark as the area where I will be looking for the change of character. Okay, now from there, the market created inside that change of character, the market left us with inside formation. Now, again, the market came inside, but before the market came inside, I begin to measure the risk. And begin to measure the risk from this point here. And also, of course, we had this area where we had imbalance and of course the long wheel rejection. If you measure from there to here, it was 20 pips. This is it's so large for me. I cannot take this. I cannot take this. So I didn't take them the entry. So I said, okay, I'll wait again for the market to create another change of character. But you can see the market went even higher. And I was so frustrated because if you measure this range here, it was almost 100 pips, if not 89 pips. I was so frustrated. I said, okay, the entry left me. But I begin to see the market trying to come back. And I saw this area. This was a zone flip. And of course, I said I'm going to come with a video concerning zone flip entries. So this was a zone flip entry. So this area where I marked the formation where I will take the entry, that area is the same area I'm going to take my trade. So the stop loss I put below there, and I said, okay, this entry, I'm gonna take it because it was all 13 pips. So it was so safe for me to take. And then you can see the market came there to that same area, and I took that sniper shot. You can see it was a very good trade today. A very nice good trade, risking below there and taking all this. Now you may be wondering, okay, where is the target? The target is always the 4 hour, which is the time frame which I started analyzing the market. This high here was the target. So going back to the 1 minute, and you can see the market went straight to that tick profit, and I was so happy. Almost, I closed my trade in with 177 pips, but the price went even higher, making even 200 pips. But I closed in that area, 77 something pips. It was so great. It was so good trade. This was a New York session, and today is Wednesday. So yeah, that was a trade I took today. Thank you very much, guys, and I'm asking you to subscribe and like the video, comment, and of course, share the channel to many so that we can grow. And I will provide so many lessons. I've prepared so many lessons for you guys to learn for free in this channel. Thank you very much. See you on the next session.